Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My November Ipsy bag came, so let's open it up together. So I do not follow Ipsy on social media because I don't want spoilers, but I have seen the actual bag on Instagram, and it's cheetah print. And if you know anything about me, I love cheetah print. Like, look at my nails. They're cheetah print. My hair tie is cheetah print. The back of my sweatshirt right now is cheetah print, so I love it. The bag is cheetah print. This is so cute. So let's open it up and see what I got, because I don't know. First we have this lip mask from the Migos. I think that's how you say it. Lip mask sounds really good. My lips are very chapped. This is gonna stay on my nightstand. They sent me 2 of the lip masks, so maybe I'll use this as a stocking stuffer for someone in my family. Next is this R&Co Biodome anti-pollutant and purifier spray. This is for your hair, and it helps refresh and purify your hair. Sounds cool. I really like R&Co. I've tried their shampoos before and their dry shampoo, I think. I really liked it, and I love their packaging. It's so different and it's very cool. This one is a bubble. Next we have this Clean Slate Gentle Cleanser from One Kind. I always need a cleanser, so this sounds really good. It's good for all skin types, helps remove makeup, and it is brightening. Next up we have this palette. It's pretty. It's a face and eye palette. I don't know the name and I don't know how to pronounce the brand, so I'll leave it down in the description box. The packaging is giving me like Bailey Syrian vibes, if it would focus. I don't know, it just really reminds me of Bailey Syrian. It's very like pin-up and all the tattoos. And last is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Moisturizer. I love this face moisturizer. I've actually purchased this in the past, so I'm very happy that this came in my Ipsy bag this month, because this is an amazing moisturizer if you have very dry skin. This is great for the winter, so I'm definitely going to save this for the colder months, but I'll probably use this once I finish up my moisturizer that I'm using now, because it is cold here in New Jersey. It is freezing. So that is it for this month's Ipsy bag. I'm really excited to try everything. The one thing is the palette. It is like a face and eye palette. For the eye side, which is this like little quad, you're definitely going to need to use another palette, but I'll probably use them. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I think about this. Let me know where you guys want to see reviews. Like, do you want them on Instagram? Do you want them here? I'll try to get them up for you guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked in the description box. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time.